Hi everyone, welcome back. Enough of showing. So in this video I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of a website which I have built recently for salon business. So if you are into a parlor business, if you are a hairstylist, then this website is going to be amazingly helpful for you. In this website I have tried to include all the feature and functionality which actually required for running a successful salon business. Your clients can book an appointment, you can provide your services, you can do a hell lot of things right on your website, right? Just like my shoulder. So enough of showing, let me dive you into my computer screens and show you that the website which I have built for you. So as you can see that this is the website which we have built for our salon business. So let me scroll it down and show you that what are the things I have included on the home page of this website. So as you can see, it has beautiful design. Like we try to include everything right on the home page. The only reason why I have included almost everything on the home page because most of the clients, most of the visitor and those who want to take your service come to your home page. So this is what you have to focus when you are designing your website, that you have to try to display all the services, everything right on your home page, little bit, not everything, and you can create separate pages for all those things. So as you can see that this is how the website is going to look. So as you can see, the very first thing which we have included is this logo. You can display this logo wherever you want. If you want to have a background image of this menu, or if you want to add any image, you can do that as well because it's fully customizable. So right now in this website we are displaying 5 menu. You can display as many menu you can because it's totally up to you that what are the service you are providing. So whatever you are providing, you can display all the menus right here. You can display sub menus. So this is the hero section of the home page. So when someone's come, this is where they're going to land. So we try to add this text free here or for all. This is the text which you can easily customize and write your own, and this is the image we are trying to display at the background. So no matter what service you are provide, like if you are a hair, like this is the hair salon, so that's why we are focusing in this kind of, we have added this kind of image. If you are any kind of business, like if you are into plumbing, so you can add the image related to plumbing, but the structure is going to be the same, and you can customize, you can play around with the design, you can play around with the position. It's totally up to you because the platform we have used to build this website is fully customizable. And the best thing is that if you really want to have this website and want me to build this website, I would love to help you in building this website. So my information is somewhere up. You can find me, my contact details, and get in contact with me, so I will help you to build this website. So let's get back to where I was. So you can easily change this image, you can easily change this the background color, and here I'm trying to displaying the social media profile. So if anybody wants to follow you in any one of your social media profile, they can easily click here and they can land on that like platform and they can follow you. And here I try to display the founder of the brand. So here you can display anything, whatever you want, but here what I have done, that here I display the founder of this brand. So this is the image of her, and this is what she has written, and little bit descriptions and some motivational code and signature and all. So it's fully customizable. Whatever you want to display in this section, you can do that. Whether you want to display your service, that's all up to you. And here we have tried to display all the places where this brand is located. It's not matter that you have to display all the different countries. It's totally up to you that if you located in a particular country but you have a different franchises in different state, you can display their location as well. So if anybody's click here, they can go to that particular page where that franchisee explain their service, so you can easily redirect that. So this is what we have included, and this is the website which we have focused on building, that it's a brand and it has multiple franchisees. So this is the entire concept we have while building this website. And here we have added a normal simple background image. You can easily replace this image and you can add your own video, but I should never recommend you that you should add videos on your home page because your website gets heavy. So you need to have a light and fast website, so it gets load very fast and it gets open very fastly. So you can easily customize this one if you want to have this or not. You can easily replace this if you don't like this one, and you can display the way everything is fully customizable. If you want to display this here, you can do that. If you want to display the text full width, you can do that. So it's all up to you. And here I try to promote the services which this brand is providing, this salon is providing. So here we have listed all the services which they are providing, and here we are displaying the background image, and as you can see at the back we have a bigger background image. So there are 2 layers of this image, and here we have included a call to action button. So if anybody wants to take any one of these services, they can simply click here and they can land on that particular service page and they can book an appointment. And here we try to display all the brand which this salons work with. So it's very good for the brand because when you display the brands, other brands, famous brands, what will happen that the users, the visitor of your website, those who want to take your service, they get an extra push to take your service or take your appointment on your salon. So it's give them extra push that you are an authentic website and you are really popular and famous, so they will trust you more. And here we try to add the images of the salon, so you can add whatever you want. If you want to have multiple image or slider image, you can do that as well. We try to keep it as simple as it is. And here we have given the title of our salon. You can write a description, you can change, it's all up to you. And here we have added a call to action button. So if anybody wants to check all the images which of like about their salon, they can just simply click here and they can discover what will happen. They will generally land on their about us section, and then where they can find all the images and they can read more about this brand. So this is the 6 sections, and from here we are trying to display the testimonials of a famous personality which they have worked upon. So like as you can see, we are displaying this ladies and his testimonials, that who is she, and if anybody wants to read like what she said about it, she can easily click here and you can read more about it. So these kind of testimonials plays a very important role, because when it's come to taking any kind of service on a digital platform, most of the people go through the stars and testimonials. So it's better to display testimonials and star on your homepage, and so in that way the people start trusting you and they will more likely to take your service. So as you can see here, I'm trying to display three service. So you can do up to, it's totally up to you that how many testimony you want to display. And here what I have done here, I have included the email marketing system. So if anybody wants to get subscribed to an email list, they can easily put their email ID here and they can subscribe to your list, and then you can market them through your content, through your service and through your offers. So it's totally up to you that how you're going to do email marketing for your brand. And here I just keep this footer section very simple here, and displaying the logo of the brand here, social media icons, email IDs. Here you can display whatever you want. You can write about your brand, and again you can redirect them to the product page or service page, whatever you offer. And here we have included the 3 footer menus, like one is about us, service us and salon. So in about us section, as you can see, we are talking about the history, salon, team, testimonial, award and achievement. In service section, what are the service this salon provide, and our salons, like in which country they have their salon franchisee. So if you are in a particular country but you have a franchisee in different state or maybe in different location, you can display right up here. So as you can see, this footer section is very normal. We have the company copyright, and so this is how the pretty much everything's look on the home page of this website. As you can see that we have tried to include and show every single thing, like the services, the testimonials, the email marketing, the founders, the reviews, the location. We try to include everything's on the home, and this is how you have to design your website when you're providing any kind of service online. So this is the exact way you have to design and provide all the feature and functionality, add all the sections on your home page, so the visitor can get all the gist by looking at your home page only, and then later on they can decide that whether they want to take the service or not. So this is what you have to keep in mind while designing the front page. So now let me show you that how it's going to look on the mobile phone. So this is how it's going to look on your mobile. So whenever you design any website, no matter whether it's an e-commerce website, it's a normal blog, or it's any service providing website, you have to focus on its responsiveness, because most of the people's going to open your website in the mobile. So you have to check that whether the phone is responsive or not. You can do all the customization on the mobile phone also. If you think that this image is quite big, you can change the size of this website and inside of this image, and it will just display in phone in that way. So the best part is when you do any changes in the mobile form, like as you can see, it's look like this. So if you make this image a little smaller in the mobile, so that change would only happen in the mobile phone, not in the desktop. So you have the both options to customize in 2 different forms, one for phone and one for your desktop. So it's fully customizable. So as you can see, this is how the salon page looks like. I'm trying to maintain all this top design throughout the website, because this is the top design is going to be the primary design of this website, and this is the primary color of this website. So you can easily customize this text at the background. You can change this color, you can easily replace this text, you can remove this border if you want, you can change that also. So it's fully customizable. So here we try to display the image of the founder, and this is the story of the brand. So you can write whatever you write about your brands, and here we just try to display like when it was started, expansion, national award, that top world salon. So you can display what you want. So generally we are trying to display the journey of this brand. So here we are displaying that how many salons they have, in how many countries they have, how many continents they have. So you can do, it's fully customizable. So here we are displaying all the location where this salon exists. So if anybody wants to come and book in a particular country, like as you can see, Melbourne, New York, Marina, Tokyo. So we have listed all the different places where this salon exists, and if anybody wants to book an appointment or want to take this service, they can just simply book in that particular location and their appointment is confirmed. So this is what we have done here. If you scroll it down here, we try to motivate our visitor by adding some motivational quotes. You can display whatever you want. So this was going with the brand, and we have talked with the founder, they just wanted to have this one, so we have included this. Again, the footers remain the same. Here we are doing email marketing, and the same footer we are displaying, the same lower thread we are displaying. So this portion is going to be the same throughout the website. Now let me take you to the service section. So if you come to the service section, this is how the top of the service section is going to look like. The menus, as I told you, that this design is going to be the similar throughout the website. As you can see, the text is displaying here and service is displaying here. You can easily change the color and the image of this background. I'm going to change the color of this background because it's quite vibrant, so we need to match with the color or brand color. And here we try to display all the services which this salon is offering, like full grooming, regular extension, styling. So you can display as many things as you want. And here is we added the call to action button. So if anybody wants to contact us or book a place, they can easily confirm and they can go to this contact page and where they can book an appointment. And here we have display that every single services which they are offering in their salon, like hair care, hair styling, haircut. So no matter what kind of service you provide in your salon, you can display all things on this service section of this website, on this service section of this page. So you can scroll it down, you can check everything and all by yourself. And the lower part is that like this section remains the same, as I told you that this is what I have to maintain throughout the video, throughout the website. And let's go to the review section. So you know that review section is one of the most important things when it's come to service providing websites, because your review, the review you will get from your client, that will help you to bring other clients. So you should always have this section on your website. No matter you're running an e-commerce store, you are running any kind of product or SaaS product, you must have your review section. So we have designed the same layout. Here we are displaying the review of our clients. This is the famous personality, that's why you can see that this is the big image and what she said about this salon. And we are displaying all the reviews of the clients on this, so the people can visit, they can know that what the people are saying, what kind of designing, what kind of hairstyling have done by the salon members. So you can read everything by yourself. Now let me take you to this contact section. So this is the contact page of this website is going to look like. We are maintaining the same structure. Here we try to include a contact form, so if anybody wants to contact you, they can easily fill out these details and they can send you the message they want to send. And here we are displaying you can display literally anything. Here we are providing contact email ID, phone number, and here the social media icon, so they can easily contact or click any one of these social media icon and they can follow you on that particular platform. And here we are also displaying the same where we located, so you have to locate. So if anybody wants to contact you in a particular locations, they can simply click here and they can land on that franchisee's page, and from there they can contact you very easily. So this is the thing which you have to include if you have a franchisee business and have a store or have your service providing place in different locations. So this is what you can include in that. The footers remain the same because this is what we have to maintain throughout the website. So this is how I have designed this salon website. I hope you would like it. If you have liked it, give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, write down in the comment section. I would love to help you out. And if you want me to build this website, get in touch with me. My contact details is somewhere up, and I would help you to build the exact website for you. And you know that if you really want to have your growth, if you really want to grow your business, no matter what kind of business you are in, like these websites play a very important role in this 2021. Like you have to be present in you have to be ready almost all the time. Like, so if anybody wants to take your service, then how they will do that? If you have your own website, you can make yourself visible in front of them. You can do SEO marketing, you can run paid ad campaigns to increase your visibility. That will help you to bring clients to your store, to your service. So this is what you have to keep in mind, that you must have a website no matter what kind of product or service you provide. So that's it in this video. If you want me to help, you can get in touch with me. I would love to help you out. And once again, I have to do the show off. Yes. So that's it. See you the next time. Bye-bye.